Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to find the area of the semicircle that is shaded. So we will draw first of all diagram to solve this question. Consider this is the semicircle, and let us consider this is the center of this circle. And now suppose this is an other semicircle that is the part of this. You have to calculate the area of the shaded part, this one. So for this purpose, first of all consider this is the center O. Radius of this small circle is small r, and radius of this capital circle is capital R. Now there is a point, and we will draw a tangent on this point, and the length of this line will be, let's consider the length of this line is 16, and this line intersect this part in two equal parts. This will be 8 and this will be 8. Now we have to find the shaded area. First of all, we will consider that shaded area will be equals total minus small. So for this purpose we will know the area of a circle equals pi r square, but here this is a semicircle, so area is pi by 2 r square, because whole of this has radius capital R, minus pi by 2 small, that is small r. Now we will write this as pi by 2 into pi by 2 can be taken as common, so small r square minus small r square. This is the shaded area. Now we have to calculate the value of this. For this purpose we can draw a right angle triangle here by joining this point. Now this is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This length is also small radius r. This is the capital R, and this length is 8. So by Pythagoras theorem we will write r square equals small r square plus 16 square. So capital R square minus small r square from this diagram will be equals 16 square. So we will substitute this value in this equation and get pi by 2. Now we will substitute this value in this original equation. It will become pi by 2 r square minus small r square equals 16 square. So 16 square means we have pi by 2, 16 multiply 16. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now 16 multiply 8, we have this will be equal. So this is 128 pi. So this is the shaded area you have to calculate. So this will be the final answer. We will write this as final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another geometry problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.